Did you know that over 37 million American adults have kidney disease, and most don't even know it? The kidneys are two small organs located on either side of the spine, below the ribs. From flushing out toxins to balancing electrolytes, these powerhouses work around the clock to keep you in tip-top shape. But like all powerhouses, they need good fuel. In this video, we'll explore the top 16 foods that boost your kidneys, aid in detoxification, and cleanse your body. Let's dive right in. Why are the kidneys so important? Your kidneys are essential to your body's functioning and are constantly working. Every day, the kidneys process over 200 quarts of blood and sift out over 2 quarts of waste products and water. Healthy kidneys filter through approximately half a cup of blood a minute to remove waste, excess water, and produce urine. If the kidneys are not able to remove toxins and waste from the body, they will build up in the body and hinder the normal function of kidneys, liver, and other organs, resulting in exhaustion, stomach pain, headaches, water retention, and other problems. Buildup of toxins and waste also may lead to kidney stones, a mass of crystals or unprocessed minerals which can grow to the size of a golf ball. Kidney stones affect 10 to 15% of American adults, but also may be found in children as young as 5. Why you should cleanse your kidney? There are several reasons why you should flush out toxins and waste from your body. For instance, cleansing your kidneys improves their function and reduces bloating. Likewise, cleansing your kidney improves your ability to process certain foods, absorb nutrients, and convert food to energy, preventing fatigue. Flushing out waste and toxins prevents potential infection and reduces the risk for bladder problems. Similarly, cleansing the kidneys reduces the chances of having painful kidney stones, corrects hormonal imbalances, and prevents skin breakouts such as acne, eczema, and rashes. Here are the 16 best foods for kidney health, detox, and cleansing. 1. Berries. Berries are low-calorie sweets packed with potent antioxidants and phytonutrients that help prevent damage to kidney cells and nephrons. They reduce inflammation and contain vitamin C, fiber, folate, and manganese. Some, like cranberry, are known to have a soothing effect on the urinary system and prevent infections. A clinical trial published in Nutrition Journal demonstrated that women who consumed sweetened, dried cranberries daily for 2 weeks experienced a decrease in the incidence of urinary tract infections. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and cherries all help protect and cleanse the kidneys. Raspberries also contain ellagic acid, an antioxidant that has been shown to prevent kidney disease and some cancers. 2. Lemon and orange juice. Lemons and oranges contain citrate, or vitamin C, a nutrient that has been associated with kidney stone prevention. It plays that role by binding with excess calcium and preventing the formation of calcium crystals. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant and may prevent tissue damage. There is some evidence to suggest that vitamin C may improve insulin sensitivity, cholesterol levels, and blood vessel health, all of which can benefit your kidney function. Additionally, lemon juice is naturally acidic and increases citrate levels in urine, hence discouraging the formation of kidney stones. Lemon juice also filters blood and flushes out wastes and other toxins. For people with kidney stones, combining lemon with olive oil ensures smooth passage of the stones. 3. Grapes. Grapes contain flavonoids which are beneficial plant compounds. One of them, known as resveratrol, has been found to be effective in lowering kidney inflammation in an animal study. Although human studies are warranted for more insight into how grapes can benefit kidney function, it is a great choice to satisfy your sweet tooth while getting a load of micronutrients. 4. Apples. Apples are an excellent source of fiber. The fiber in apples is exceptional at binding to and removing toxins from the digestive tract before the body can absorb them, lessening the load on the kidneys. Apples also reduce inflammation and cholesterol. 5. Watermelons. Watermelons provide a gentle source of hydration full of anti-inflammatories and antioxidants. They help cleanse the kidneys, blood, and bladder. For instance, lycopene, a compound in watermelons, was shown to lower inflammation in rats with existing kidney damage. Watermelons may also help to balance the levels of phosphate, oxalate, citrate, and calcium in your body. Lycopene is a red pigment that occurs naturally in some plant tissues. As well as giving foods like watermelons and tomatoes their red color, it also acts as a powerful antioxidant. 6. Red peppers. These peppers are low in potassium, which can be hard on those with kidney disease. They also contain a good amount of vitamin C, folate, B6, and fiber. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that influences energy production, blood flow, and metabolism. Folate and B6 contribute to the formation of red blood cells. Red bell peppers also contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that keeps kidneys healthy and prevents renal failure. 7. Cabbage. Cabbage is rich in fiber, folate, B6, vitamin C, and vitamin K. The fiber in cabbage and other leafy greens slow the absorption of nutrients. This gives the liver and kidneys time to deal with the influx into the bloodstream. Fiber keeps blood sugar from spiking, one of the biggest reasons for kidney damage, and it also helps pull toxins from the digestive tract. Vitamin K is essential in healthy blood clotting. Cabbage also contains many phytonutrients that act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. 8. Cauliflower and broccoli. These florets are rich in vitamin C and folate. Cauliflower is full of fiber and rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. Cruciferous vegetables are delicious when your kidneys are healthy or sluggish. They should be avoided if your kidneys are struggling or you have gout. 9. Garlic. Garlic, onions, shallots, chives, and leeks all contain allicin. Allicin is an organic sulfur compound that has some mighty anti-inflammatory properties. It also fights infection, has beneficial effects on blood pressure, and can act as an antioxidant. 10. Asparagus. The asparagus stalk is an excellent source of fiber. The phytonutrients in asparagus lower blood pressure and cleanse the kidneys and bladder as they increase urine production and break up uric acid. This is for prevention. Those who already suffer from kidney disease should be careful with asparagus as it is also rich in potassium and phosphorus. 11. Ginger. This spice has been used as a digestive aid for hundreds of years. Ginger has been shown to protect the kidneys from damage caused by diabetes, alcohol, and dehydration. When combined with thyme, ginger may offer even more protection. Thyme has been found to lower blood pressure and cholesterol. This is beneficial to the kidneys as high blood pressure can significantly impact the organs. 12. Seaweed. Brown seaweed has been studied for its beneficial effects on the pancreas, kidneys, and liver. In a 2014 animal trial, rats fed edible seaweed for a period of 22 days showed a reduction in both kidney and liver damage from diabetes. Try a packet of dried, seasoned seaweed the next time you're craving a crunchy snack. 13. Olive oil. The healthy essential fatty acids in olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocado reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, and ease kidney stones pain. Other oils with healthy fatty acids to try include Sacha Inchi or moringa oil. Olive oil is an excellent source of healthy fatty acids and is phosphorus-free. The majority of fat in olive oil is a monounsaturated fat called oleic acid. Oleic acid is known for having potent anti-inflammatory properties. 14. Dandelion tea. If you have to choose one herbal tea for kidneys, it should be dandelion tea. That's because dandelion has been used in traditional medicine as a kidney tonic. A tea made with fresh dandelion root or dried dandelion may help you cleanse your kidneys. Additionally, it is known to stimulate bile production, which can improve digestion and thus reduce the volume of waste that reaches the kidneys. 15. Hydrangea tea. Hydrangea is a gorgeous flowering shrub, well known for its lavender, pink, blue, and white flowers. A recent animal study found that extracts of Hydrangea paniculate given for 3 days offered a protective effect against kidney damage. This is likely due to the antioxidant capabilities of the plant. 16. Sambong tea. Sambong is a tropical climate shrub, common to countries such as the Philippines and India. In one study, researchers found that a Blumea balsamifera extract added to calcium oxalate crystals decreased the size of the crystals. This could potentially prevent the formation of kidney stones. Bonuses: 3 foods to avoid for kidney health. Just as some foods support kidney health, detox, and cleansing, others can harm your kidneys. Avoiding or at least limiting certain foods in your diet can help to decrease the buildup of waste in your body, boost kidney function, and prevent damage in the future. 1. Dark-colored colas. Dark-colored colas contain sugar, empty calories, and additives that contain phosphorus. Proper functioning kidneys can remove phosphorus from the body. When you have chronic kidney disease, your kidneys struggle to remove excess phosphorus. This can result in damage to the body. 2. Canned foods. Canned food like soups and vegetables are often picked up due to their low price and convenience. However, many canned foods can contain high levels of salt. The salt is added to preserve the food and provides a very long shelf life. 3. Processed meats. Processed meats are any meats that have been dried, salted, canned, or cured. These types of meats have long been associated with chronic disease and generally contain a fair amount of unhealthy preservatives. Processed meats are high in protein and salt, requiring your kidneys to work harder. Lousy diet choices and habits like smoking and eating processed foods force your kidneys to work harder. Over time, high blood pressure and diabetes are 2 leading causes of kidney disease. So, there you have it. The top 16 foods that can enhance your kidney health, support detoxification, and help cleanse your body. Incorporating these foods into your diet could be a game changer for your health. Remember, your health is your wealth, and small changes can bring about big transformations. Thank you for being with us in this journey towards better kidney health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and leave a comment below about which of these foods you'll be adding to your diet. We'll be back with more health tips, so make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. Remember, it's not about a short-term diet, it's about a long-term lifestyle change. Stay healthy, stay happy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share, like, and tell other people about this video. See you next time.